Good morning, sir. This is my workshop layout, housekeeping in situ, support area, learning resources area. We have din po fire exit and hallway. We have trainee resources area, computer area, contextual area, and total room training and classroom distance learning area. We have bedroom 2 po dito po sa support area, and then we have bedroom 1 dito po sa practical work institutional assessment area, and then we have quality control area, and then po we have clean and prepare for incoming guests. Kung baga po sa kinuha ko siya, ano po siya sa core competencies, mas need ng mga guest na. And then, mas better po kasi na mas na-encourage natin na mas prepare or mas high quality yung dito sa mga bed or anything, kung baga pag nag-aano yung mga guest dumadating, parang mas ma-complement nila kung ano yung nasa loob. And then yun. Next po, clean and prepare for incoming guests. It because some of that setup, equipment, and truly access room for serving, make up bed, clean and clear rooms, clean and start trolley and equipment. Some of that is a part of housekeeping also to serve as a proper for the guest. Yun na nga po, mas kailangan na mas proper para mas maengganyo yung mga guest pagdating nila. And then, for cleaning area, because it ensure a safety hygienic environment, prevent accident and fire hazard, improve overall health and comfort, increases productivity by creating an orderly workspace space, and leave a positive impression on visitor and guest. Kumbaga mas naaaliw yung mga guest pagdating sa kung ano yung nakikita nila sa halimbawa po sa mga hotel, and then para kumbaga yung sa housekeeping kasi is talagang malinis tingnan. Kumbaga yung mga amenities doon, kumbaga kumpleto or talagang kaaya-aya sa mga guest. Some of that, dapat talagang prepare ang lahat, and then mas matutuwa yung mga guest. Ito po yung kinuha ko sa core competencies po kasi to, and then doon pa lang malalaman mo na kung ano yung gustong ipahiwatig doon sa core competencies. Kumbaga kung paano maging maging cleaning sa mga room, and then kung paano makisalamuha sa guest, and then it's a part of housekeeping. Kumbaga mas madaming ma-encounter sila. Yun po. That's all. Thank you.